God, baby, have mercy on your poor pilful soul.
We will give
No.
That basically puts you in pretzel.
No.
And then you're going to get another charge. Or
Get your feet in. You gotta get you buckled up. We want you to be safe.
Oh, Luciferian. Freemasonry. I see what's going on.
Out of here. And
I got out of here. That's not, yeah.
It's
SDPP.
stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
Don't touch me. Why are you touching me? Get off of me.
Hey, go on.
Get off of me.
Get on your stomach.
Get on your stomach. Stop resisting. Stop tensing up.
What did I do wrong?
That's assault.
What did I do wrong? You're assaulting me and I pay your paycheck. Get off of me.
Don't fight.
Get off of me.
Give us your
Get
arms.
the fuck off of me.
Give us your arms.
Get off of me.
Don't fight.
Give
Get-
us your arms.
Why are you on me?
Stop resisting.
Why I'm not
Hey,
resisting.
hey, I'm gonna do.
Why are you? Why are you on me?
Excuse me.
I did nothing
Give
wrong.
us your arms.
Stop fighting.
I did nothing wrong.
Yes, stop
Why are you
fighting.
touching me?
Yes. Let him put the
No.
cuffs on you. Stop.
Stop
what?
resisting.
You miss.
Give me your arm.
I'm getting beat up by the assholes I pay their paychecks for. You're so fucking shit, you.
There's nothing.
You're so fucking done. What did you say on their cameras? What did I do? This is the third time tonight. You sought me out.
Get out of here. Go.
Third sought me out.
Get out of here. Go.
The third time tonight.
Sit up.
You sought me out.
Sit up.
What up? What did I do wrong?
Sit
You
up.
want to go in a
What did I do
rap?
wrong?
You want to go in a rap?
What did I
Get
do
your
wrong?
ass up.
What did I do wrong?
Assault.
I assault what?
Because you
How do I
tried
assault
to kick
you?
me.
I didn't try to kick you, you idiot.
Okay, well, it's all on body cam.
Yeah, okay, good. Play it back.
All right,
Awesome,
sit up.
good.
Sit up.
Yeah,
You can play
good,
back at
awesome.
court.
Good. Fuck you. You're all connected.
Sit up.
Heaven is eternity. Fuck this. There's no justice in this world.
All right, let's go. Come on, stand
No,
up.
for what?
Stand up.
No,
You're
you.
getting more charges as we speak.
What did I
Resisting.
do? What did I do? I'm in public. I'm a free human being. In a public space,
Here you go.
nobody calls on me.
Get out of here.
Hey, just go.
Get out of
Okay,
here.
just go.
I didn't break any
Here,
laws.
cooperate.
Just-
Go
I
ahead.
didn't
You can
do
hold on to it
anything.
for her.
This hers.
You can hold on to it
I didn't
for
do
her.
anything. I didn't do anything. Let me
Okay.
the fuck
We need to
go.
get a car here.
Let me
it's-
go.
My
This
car's
is
right
the
here.
third
Okay,
time
no, we'll both say a conversation.
tonight. Third time tonight you did this to me. Yeah, that's right. There's cameras at the fucking post office.
Oh, wait. Is that
And
your car?
cameras
Oh,
over
yeah.
there. No cameras in the stairwell.
Just-
What did
yeah,
I
grab
do
it. I'll
wrong?
take it.
Hey, in the office.
Oh, wait. Is
And
that your car?
cameras
Oh,
over
yeah.
there. No
Yeah,
cameras
this
in
is
the
ours.
stairwell.
Just-
What did
yeah,
I
grab
do
it. I'll
wrong?
take it.
Hey, are you recording this?
Everything's
What
recorded.
the fuck did I do wrong?
You tried to kick me.
I didn't try and kick you.
Okay,
Where
well,
did
it's
you
all-
show up from? What
well,
the
it's all-
woman sheer up?
It's
Where did
all-
you fucking
it's all
come
on body
from?
cam.
Where did you come from? Why the fuck are you here? And why did you put your hands on me? We're all tied together. I did nothing wrong. I'm alive. God made me. I'm on God's green earth. You ran my fucking ID how many hours ago? And now you've come
All right, let's
to
go.
collect me again? No, because I might kick you. Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me. You dumb fucking. Get the fuck off me. Get off me. May God have mercy on your poor, pitiful fucking soul. You have no faith in brainwash. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Play back the tapes. I'm a fucking citizen of this country.
Alright, let's stand up.
I'm a citizen of
stand
this
up.
country. No, I might kick you. I'll stay down. Kick you when I'm down. Why the fuck are you collecting me? Why are you collecting me?
I've already explained it to you a million times.
I am
Bridget.
not a threat. You ran my ID hours ago. Get the fuck away from me. You're fucked. It's already in the system.
Bridget.
Fucked.
So you
My
have,
name, let me go.
you have two options.
I didn't do anything. There's no options. God, baby, have
You have
mercy
two
on your
options.
poor, pitiful
We
soul.
will give put you
No,
in a
no,
wrap
no, no, no.
that basically puts you in pretzel,
No.
and then you're gonna get another charge,
You guys are fucked.
or
You're fucked.
you can go into the squad car
You're
willingly,
fucked.
or
What
we
did
can
I
force you
do?
into the squad car.
Why are you manhandling me?
Let's go.
You came and you ran my ID hours ago. Right? For what? No, I might kick you. Don't want me to kick you, right? What did I do wrong?
We told you a
What
million
did I do
times.
wrong?
In the squad car.
Oh, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? That's right, violating my rights. What did I do wrong?
Oh shit, you're right.
What did I do wrong?
Alright, step out for a minute.
Alright, fine,
Step out for a minute.
What did I do
We'll let
wrong?
you, Bridget, we'll let you get out.
What did I do wrong?
Come on, step out.
What did I do wrong? That's right, violating my rights.
No, we gotta
What did I do wrong?
Oh shit, you're right.
What did I do wrong?
Alright, step
Step
out
Step
for a
out.
minute.
All right, fine,
Step out
Bridget.
for a minute.
Bridget,
What did I do
we'll
wrong?
let you. Bridget, we'll let you get out.
What did I do wrong?
Come on, step out.
What did I do wrong? What the fuck did I do wrong?
Bridget, all right,
Out.
we're letting you out. We're letting you out, okay? Come on,
Alright,
step
stand
out.
against the...
Just stand up against here, okay? Thank you. Spread your legs for me. Thank you. Thank you, Bridget. Appreciate it.
No.
Spread your legs for me, please.
You know what?
Thank you.
When you gotta understand poor pitiful souls.
We won't forget about it.
Yeah, you know what? This is ridiculous. Is this place treating you, dude? You're asking for no good goddamn reason. Did I do anything wrong to you or your loved ones? And you're supposed to serve and protect me? And I'm for homeless for the first night tonight? And this is the way you're treating me. And I'm being homeless. This is a crime.
Around.
Yeah, homeless, yeah. I wonder why. You're beating the fuck out of me.
Stop resisting.
Beating
Bridget,
the
stop.
fuck out of me!
Stop
For no
resisting,
reason!
please.
Why am I cuffed? Why the fuck
you.
am I cuffed? I'm homeless!
You tried to kick me.
I'm homeless! I'm homeless! I am homeless! That's a fucking crime! The eternity is a lot longer than this injustice. Live with it, fuckers.
Everything will be all right.
No, that's not for you assholes. For me, yeah.
Yeah, everything will be all right for you.
What the fuck? Michelle! Bob Lotto! Larry the Painter! All you assholes in display! Oh, the cameras. Why am I being fucked with? Oh, you showed up to me and said I kicked you.
Stay against the wall. I'm not going to tell you again.
You showed up to me and I kicked you.
Yeah, 'cause you're in a
How
place you're not
did
supposed to
you
be.
pop out of Mary Poppins out of fucking nowhere biscuit land and I tried to kick you, right? When you took my ID hours ago, I hope you fucking erase this fucking system. Thank you. This is all fucking erased.
I'll see you in court.
No, you'll be on TV. Oh, shining
So,
moment.
Bridget, right now you're being arrested for
For
assault.
what? For what?
For assault.
Assault for what? You assaulted me. I'm a free woman. Get the fuck away from my
Bridget,
kid.
stop. I'm not going to tell
Fuck
you
away
again.
from my kid.
Stop!
Get away from me.
You're just adding charges.
I added charges?
Yeah.
I good for you. I added up in heaven, kid. Added up in heaven. You know, there's a fucking bitch now, you know. Ha ha ha. When I think of this, community then. These two people who live more than I do. How is that your birthday? And not mine. No, you can only hold me. When I'm tired, peace out, bitches. I'll still pray for you. Oh wait, what did I do wrong to begin with? Oh, she showed up and accused me of
You're
kicking her.
trespassing and loitering.
No, I wasn't.
And then you attempted to kick my partner.
No, she showed up.
I saw
She
it.
stalked me. Oh, you saw it, yeah. I'll tell
No,
you.
man. Go ahead, sit down.
Go, sit down.
Heaven is
Thank
awesome.
you.
Heaven is so awesome.
Get your feet in. You gotta get you buckled up. We want you to be safe.
Oh, Luciferian. Freemasonry. I see what's going on. By Jove, I think you got me by the throat.
No, I was just trying to get
Suck their dicks, yeah. Yeah, I have fucking things coming. Yeah, is that good to put it against me, against your own, against the females?
I don't even
Fucking
know what you're
idiot.
saying.
Yeah, you had how many
I don't.
abortions? That's the devil. He's a liar, he's a hater, a murderer, a thief. He's using you.
Hey, Bridget, we're just trying to buckle you up.
Using you.